Julie. Can you go what? No. You could not touch it. Yeah, you slip, you're done. Okay? Good.